Hi guys, recognizing image in our daily life can be a challenging task for us, right? If you are also facing the same issue in your daily life, so this video is for you. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process to solve this problem. I will show you an AI tool which helps you to identify what's there in the image. The best part is this tool is completely free and you can use it from your computer as well as your smartphone. To use this tool, you must have one browser and this tool. This tool does not have any application till now. Sounds interesting, right? Without further delay, let's begin the video. Okay, so in this video, we will use the image feature of Google Bard AI. To use this feature, go to your browser,
Taskbar, new tab, Google.
type bard.google.com,
Selection remove.
press enter,
Bard document, main landmark.
the tool will open. If you don't know how to use this tool, you can watch our previous video. Link is given in the video description as well as in the first comment. So don't forget to check the comment section. After opening this tool, your focus will move to the edit box. Press Shift F once.
Clickable main landmark, open upload file menu button, upload.
Click here. Press Ctrl End to go to end of the page.
Upload options, grouping button, upload file.
Press enter here.
Upload, open dialog file name.
Upload your image file, JPG, JPEG or PNG. Please note, this is an AI tool and it only supports the image, not PDF or any other format. So let me choose a file. So let me choose our logo.
Logo AC 2023.png 7 of 9.
Because I don't know what's there in the logo, let's say. So once you're choosing, press enter here.
Bard document, main landmark, input for prompt, text edit multi.
Now this input box is the area where you need to type what you want. So simply here typing describe the image in detail.
Detail in detail dot space dot blank dot image in detail.
Then press enter, or you can use the
typing.
send button also.
Send message button unavailable.
Now Bard is typing. Please wait until Bard will reply. So we got the Bard reply. To go to reply, I'm using Shift plus.
Describe the image in detail.
Describe the image.
Button show the button edit. Button collapsed view other drafts.
I'm using down arrow.
Button the image compute the button listen. The image shows a vector illustration. Button listen. Button
okay, let's listen.
Button processing.
Pause. The image shows a vector illustration of a happy young man sitting at a desk in front of a computer. He is wearing headphones and smiling. The computer screen is showing a game, and the man is holding a controller in his hands. The background is a light blue color. The text in the image says, accessible computing. This suggests that the image is meant to represent the idea of people with disabilities being able to use computers and enjoy the same activities as everyone else. The man in the image is smiling and looks happy, which suggests that he is enjoying himself and not having any difficulty using the computer. The image is well drawn and the colors are bright and cheerful. It is a positive and uplifting image that celebrates the power of technology to bring people together and create opportunities for everyone.
Listen.
Okay, so it's very good, it's awesome. Okay, let me give another one.
Thumbs, mod, share and Google it. Show more options menu. Open upload file menu.
So I'm clicking here. And I'm going to add the end of the page. Press enter again. Let me choose another file.
Achieve partner zip students pick web gallery banner access web gallery 5 of items view applying 1-to-1 training web cover ace a blind person using computer 1-to-1 training.jpg column.
Okay, so let's see. We have one image in our training or academy section. So let's see what's there in that image.
Bard document main land.
Again, I'm just typing describe
the image in detail.
send.
Hardest typing.
So
Send
let's
message
wait.
button unavailable. Submit.
It's amazing. So you can use this tool.
This image has been removed.
Okay.
Clickable button
Why?
input for prompt out of edit button open toggle button listen. Sorry, I can't help with images of people yet.
Okay. So as there are some images where people are there, so that's why it can't help. Okay, that's good. This is good because you can't help with the personal image, but in some natural things, some natural image, you can
Toggle button.
you can use, like if you generate some image from any art, like for example you generate any image from Artimand and then you need to use that, then you can do
Menu
that. Let's
button
see.
collapse menu open upload file menu button up clickable
I'm choosing
name.
another one.
Upload. Items view item tree view software and file item file name items tree command mod tree view soft items view list apply 1-to-1 up web cover ac.jpg column 3 items
Okay,
banner
no,
logo
it's
logo xw logo load banner accessible computing 2023.1.jpg
So let's
hard
send
document
this.
the image hardest typing.
Okay, so you can also
Send
ask
message
to
button.
extend the text, so it will like it will have also the OCR option. So let's see.
Click input out of it button show the uploaded image in the lightbox. Heading leveled button show the uploaded image in the lightbox. Hard replied.
Okay.
Heading level 2 this button listen. Sorry toggle sorry I can't help with images thumbs up toggle thumbs to share and show the edit button view other listen button.
Let's listen.
Processing.
The
Pause.
image shows a blue banner with a white logo on it. The logo is a stylized globe with a circuit board in the center. The text, Access to Technology with ACT, is written below the logo. The blue color of the banner represents trust, security, and stability. The white color of the logo represents purity, clarity, and openness. The circuit board represents technology and innovation. The globe represents the world and the interconnectedness of all people. The overall message of the logo is that technology should be used responsibly and ethically to improve the lives of people around the world. The slogan, Access to Technology with ACT, can be interpreted in a few ways. It could mean that everyone should have access to
The image
technology,
button pause.
regardless.
Resume.
Okay, so this is another option, another thing. Now let me
Thumb out of share
choose
Google
another
button
image.
collapse show more open upload file menu click
another product image I want to
Upload.
choose. Let's see.
item 2022 items view list access item soft range video
Let's see any
Training
products image. I think I don't have.
software 7
So you can use what you can do is you can send a product image and you can ask what's the product, ask any details of the product, and please let me know into the comment section whether it works or not. This is very important for me and for other subscribers also. So whenever you comment, I will pin that comment and that comment will be shown at the top. So whoever wants to show their comments at the top, please let me know into the comment section. This is for today. I hope this helps. So if you find this content useful, don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, choose all notifications to get latest videos for free. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. We upload exclusive content there only for our Telegram users. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.